Hello, friends. Today we are going to a real oasis of luxury and comfort on the shores of the Red Sea, to the Four Seasons Resort Sharm El Sheikh. This is a place where an oriental fairy tale meets a level of service worthy of kings. I will tell you why tourists from all over the world adore this hotel, and whether it is worth its money. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and click the bell. Reviews of the most interesting hotels in the world are waiting for you ahead. Four Seasons Resort is located in Sharm El Sheikh, Egypt, in the Ras Nasrani area. It is only 10 minutes from the airport and about 15 minutes to Nama Bay, the center of the resort's nightlife. The hotel is located right at the foot of the cliffs, with stunning views of the Red Sea, a very secluded and picturesque place. The rooms here are a separate kind of pleasure. All are decorated in Arabic style, with elements of wood, mosaics, and textiles. Spacious, stylish, and expensive. Almost every room has a terrace or balcony overlooking the sea or gardens. The bathroom has marble, 2 sinks, a separate bath and shower. There is everything: robes, slippers, a hairdryer, even scales and a magnifying glass for makeup. On the territory, there are several restaurants with cuisine for every taste: Italian, Middle Eastern, seafood, grill. Breakfasts are simply divine: freshly squeezed juices, fruits, omelets, pastries. Everything is of high quality. There are vegetarian and gluten-free dishes. This hotel is created for relaxation. Quiet paths among palm trees and fountains, recreation areas, beach tents. Here you really feel like in paradise. But for active people, there is also something to do: diving, snorkeling, yoga, excursions. The hotel's specialty is the cable cars, which guests use to go down from the main building to the beach. The view during the ride is like from a movie. It is not only beautiful, but also very convenient. Did you know that there is a proverb in Egypt: "Who drinks from the Nile will definitely return"? They say that this also applies to those who have vacationed in Sharm El Sheikh. The hotel has 4 swimming pools, including an adult infinity pool with a sea view and a heated family pool. All are clean, with soft sun loungers, service right by the water. The beach is private, sandy, with a convenient entry and a long pontoon. There are coral reefs right off the coast, a paradise for lovers of the underwater world. Masks and fins are a must-have. For children, a mini club, a children's pool, animation, and even a menu in the restaurant. The service is focused on both family vacations and couples. The spa is one of the best in the region. Eastern rituals, hammam, massages, treatments with oils. The gym is modern, with panoramic windows and excellent equipment. There is yoga and personal trainers. The price for 10 nights for 2 is from $5,800 to $8,000, excluding flights. Depends on the season and type of room. Is it a bit pricey? Yes, but this is the Four Seasons. Hotel pros: impeccable service, beautiful grounds, privacy and quiet, delicious food, coral reef right by the beach, excellent spa. Hotel cons: high cost, not everywhere fast Wi-Fi, not the most active animation. Guests praise the staff, cleanliness, comfort, quality of food. Many note that the staff remembers preferences. For example, your favorite coffee is brought without a reminder. Cons most often concern the price, but most say it's worth it. If you are looking for a truly relaxing, luxurious holiday without compromise, this hotel is for you. Book in advance and check if transfers and meals are included. This will help you save money.